Welcome to the Thelen Cooking Show with special appearances by Kirsten Thelen. Today we will be teaching you how to make spaghetti, along with many other foods like pizza rolls and grilled cheese. First, fill up a pot of water in the sink and place it on the stove. Turn on the stove so it can release energy. This is also known as an exothermic reaction. The water will be heated through convection, which is the transfer of heat through a medium like air in this case. The water takes 5 ever to boil, so Kirsten recommends dancing. Then once the water finally boils, you can add the spaghetti noodles. This is more difficult than I thought, but I'm not a very good cook, so maybe it's just a me problem. The water starts boiling at 100 degrees Celsius when it goes through a physical change. This can be seen on a heating curve. Examples of physical change are changes in state or phase. Basically, a new substance is not formed. Next, set a timer for 11 minutes. Make sure to stir the noodles occasionally, but mostly you can just wait. The timer will eventually go off after a few dancing fails, and you can strain the water in the sink. Be careful and make sure to put on oven mitts. The pan is most likely very hot. Next, pour the spaghetti back in the pan and add sauce. I recommend pouring the sauce close to the pan. Don't do what Kirsten does, but if you do, well, good luck. Now we'll show you how to make pizza rolls, just in case the directions on the back of the package are too difficult. Simply open the bag and place a few on a microwave-safe plate, because you know we aren't trying to burn the house down. Actually, it would just burn your hands, but that's still pretty bad. Put them in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. Then, after that, they're ready. Microwaving food is a good example of a heat transfer through electromagnetic waves. This is known as radiation. This is also an example of an endothermic reaction because the pizza rolls are absorbing the heat in order to cook. I'm not sure what's easier, pizza rolls or popsicles, but now we're going to show you how to make popsicles with lemonade. First, fill up a plastic cup with water in the sink. Second, add a small scoop of lemonade mix and stir it in with a plastic spoon. Then, just leave in the plastic spoon and carefully set it in the freezer. Check back a few hours later and it should be frozen and ready to eat. Time for my favorite food, grilled cheese. Put some butter on 2 pieces of bread, then turn on the stove and place the bread with butter facing down on the cast iron grill. Put the cheese and second piece of bread on top of that, this time the butter facing up. Cast iron has a specific heat of 0.46 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. This makes it perfect for making grilled cheese because it doesn't heat up super fast and burn it. After 1 or 2 minutes has passed, go ahead and flip it to cook the other side. The sandwich is cooking through the contact with the griddle. This is a great example of conduction. Then put it on a plate and enjoy. Thanks for watching.